Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the headlight bulb on a Toyota Sienna. Start by parking on level ground and turning off the engine for safety. Put on gloves and eye protection to avoid skin oils and debris. Gather a flat screwdriver, socket wrench, and the replacement bulb before you begin. Keep a clean cloth handy to handle the bulb without touching the glass. Next, open the hood and locate the back of the headlight housing where the bulb sits. Remove plastic covers or clips carefully with a flat screwdriver or by hand to reveal the bulb socket. If reach is limited, gently turn the steering wheel away from the side you're working on for more room. Keep parts organized so you can reinstall them in the same order and avoid losing small clips. If you found the tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear car guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you work and fits most cup holders, making it perfect for roadside checks. It seals up tight to prevent spills inside your trunk or under the hood. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling it straight back from the bulb. Release the retaining clip or rotate the bulb counterclockwise, then remove the old bulb gently without bending the socket. Handle the new bulb with a clean cloth to avoid touching the glass, insert it into the socket, and secure the clip or twist clockwise until it locks. Reconnect the wiring and test the headlight before reassembling covers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.